Alexander Loma, Islam M, as the protector of Temple Hasan Islamic Boarding School, and Honorable Mr. Dr. Abdulaziz Mage, Director of Temple Hasan Islamic University, and Honorable Ms. Dr. Muhammad Bestari MPD, the Dean of the Police Department, and the Honorable Mr. Dr. Zainuddin MPD, the Head of the Institute Study Program, and the Honorable Mr. Dr. Muhammad Islam MPD, as Professor 1, and the Honorable Ms. Raudul Islam MPD as the 2 profession, and the Honorable K. Mahmud Jawa, who is the Director of the Roma Islamic Boarding School, and Honorable my family and my friends and my love. Okay. First, I thank you very much to the main examiner, Dr. David MPD, and Chief Examiner, Mr. Bedi Priyanto MPD, and Examining Secretary, Ms. Raudul Islam MPD. Okay, here, my name is Ahmad Bedi. Let's meet to revision my presentation. Okay, the title of my presentation is Language Experience Course in Learning and Reading for the level. Okay, first slide is about systematic presentation. I collect this data by this step. Okay, the first, the why, and the second, the how and the what. Okay. First, why I make this study, and how I make it, and the what I find from this study. Okay. First, background of the study. I divide it by the component, okay, in this drawing. In the first ideal condition, the language experience course is based student personal experience and use their family language and better understand text. Okay, that's by North Scotland. Okay, and the second, we got our problem. The stage of the study from professor is focus on the theory of learning to English in English Diploma Club and the third one from Islamic Boarding School. And from this 2 paragraph, I can make some question here, and how the method and how the language course they expect for language course in learning reading for the level at Darul Maulana Islamic Boarding School. The next couple of this study. In this study, the researcher focused on the language experience course in learning reading for the level at Darul Maulana Islamic Boarding School, because the researcher want to know how the method is planned and how the language experience could affect at the English Development Club and the previous research have research there at the institution and the inclusion again in the Islamic Boarding School. Okay, next, political framework. English has 4 main components: speaking, listening, reading, and writing. In this study, the researcher focused on the reading skill using the language experience course. According to John, Leah has several concepts, namely learning by doing, education as process, evolution and education, second test, and the important reflection in learning. All of this research design. In this research design, the first is data analysis technique. I use qualitative approach in this research. And the second, data collection technique. I use observation, interview, and documentation. Okay, next, finding. Finding, because in the question just now, I found two questions, how the implementation and the effect. In the finding, I find two, the implement and the effect. Okay, the first implement of the LEA method is quite effective learning in reading because it invites students to tell their own experience. And the effect is increasing student motivation and facilitating student and develop skill, including inventory and product and well awareness. Okay, in discussion. In discussion, the influence of the language experience approach on the language experience approach in regional level and learning reading, the role of Islamic school based on the interview result. All person agree that LEA strength, memory, and hence critical thinking skill and essential for vocabulary. And the conclusion, I find three conclusions here. Okay, first, the experience approach is a language teaching method based on the student product experience. Like the spoke language and the written is to be used in the reading criteria. And the second, LEA is proven to make positive contribution the development of student reading skill, especially for beginner level. And the last, finally, LEA help with vocabulary and grammatic awareness by using familiar language and providing information to student general text. And last solution is solution for student. There is a method providing stand or instead for the lecture, clean, set, and support clean learning improvements. And for the future research, it is recommended to conduct study on similar topic related to the implementation of the experience of LEA and reading inclusion for the level. As conclusion, researchers suggest that the language experience approach in teaching reading the level should be continuous in order to deepen our understanding and address the many questions or opportunities of study. Okay, I think that's all from my questions.